Okay, we have a Tongil gap bed engine lathe, model TIPL-5, serial number 008-141. Machine is new in 1986. We're going to run it for you. It's inch metric, 22 to 1600 RPM. Again, a removable gap bed. You have the 21-inch swing, 29 the gap, 16 centers. We're running right now. Hardened and ground bedways. What's that? 33 RPM. We're at a low RPM. You have a foot brake, forward and reverse. You have a steady rest, follow rest. Machine's a 3-jaw chuck. We're going a little faster. Brake. Okay. 107? All right, he's feeding the cross, which you can also see it on the DRO, no. On the DRO. Okay. Seeing the x-axis. All right. We're going to engage the lead screw. And now we're threading. There's also a thread dial indicator. That's your tailstock. Okay. We also have some other additional tooling. There's a 4-jaw chuck, a collet chuck, some quick change tool holders for the tool post. I'm going to shoot the serial number for you. All right.